Welcome to this video on DC motor speed control, focusing on the differences between armature and field regulation methods. This video provides a comprehensive comparison for students, teachers, and electricians. Understanding DC motor speed begins with the fundamentals. Motor speed is intrinsically linked to voltage, resistance, and magnetic flux. Mastering these relationships is key to effective speed regulation. The governing speed equation defines the motor's speed of rotation, N, as proportional to the terminal voltage minus the armature drop, all divided by the magnetic flux per pole. Speed is governed by the balance of back electromotive force and magnetic flux. Armature resistance control, a rheostatic method, involves placing a variable resistance in series with the armature circuit. This reduces the voltage across the armature windings. Its primary use is achieving speeds below the rated or base speed. Armature control is simple to implement and provides constant torque, making it ideal for lower speeds. However, it suffers from high power loss as heat in the rheostat and generally offers poor speed regulation. Field resistance control is a flux control method. By adding resistance to the field circuit, the flux weakens, causing the motor speed to increase. This method is primarily used to achieve speeds above the rated base speed of the motor. Field control is highly efficient due to low power loss and is cost-effective, requiring smaller rheostats. It offers a wide speed range, reaching 2 to 3 times the rated speed, but weak flux can lead to poor commutation and sparking at very high speeds. Comparing the methods, armature control is for speeds below base speed with poor regulation and constant torque. Field control is for speeds above base speed with good regulation and constant power, and is generally more efficient. In terms of efficiency, field control is highly efficient, around 95%, and cost-effective. Armature control is less efficient, around 60%, due to higher losses and requires more expensive components. Field control is preferred for modern standards. Practical tips for electricians include managing heat from armature rheostats and ensuring safety interlocks are in place, as opening the field circuit while energized can cause a motor to run away. Regular maintenance is also critical. This chart summarizes the speed versus resistance trends. Field control shows an increase in speed with added resistance, while armature control shows a decrease in speed with added resistance.